Hello everyone, this is the Whiskey Lizard here with another vintage electric fan, and we've got another dandy this time. This is a rare 1961 through 1963 Lasko 2-speed oscillating box fan. It's a real rare piece over here. As you can see, the cabinet is a lot wider than the standard box fan to allow for the sweep of the blades. There's the oscillating mechanism in the back. The handle is gone, and you can see the blades, they're swept back on it to allow for the oscillation. Now let me fire this thing up and we'll see how it runs. This is low speed. You can see how it oscillates inside the cabinet. And now high. And now the off position. If you like old fans like this, check out my website at fansofthepast.com. That's fansofthepast.com, where we do restorations, repairs, find parts, sell parts, and other vintage goodies. Well, that's all for now. Until next time, see ya.